But here's the truth nobody tells beginners. If your thumbnail doesn't make people click, your watch time doesn't even matter. No clicks, no views, no growth. You spend hours creating a video, editing, voiceover, effects, research, and then 5 views, 10 views, maybe 20. Why? Because the thumbnail didn't stop the scroll. And trust me, I've faced this too. But here's the good news. You don't have to struggle anymore. I can now help you design scroll-stopping thumbnails in minutes. Yes, seriously, tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Leonardo AI, Canva AI, Adobe Express, they can generate ideas, designs, text, even images. Let's say you're making a video on stickman motivation. Just ask AI, generate script, create voiceover, suggest thumbnail concept. Then use a prompt like, create a YouTube thumbnail, size 1280 by 720 pixels. Make it bold, emotional, high CTR, professional, with strong contrast and clear text. That's it. No complicated prompt engineering. Just be clear about what you want. Remember this. Great videos don't get views, great thumbnails get clicks, and clicks create success. So next time, don't just upload a video. Launch it with a powerful thumbnail. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. Because here, we don't just make videos, we make videos that grow. See you in the next one.